statement on the fate of 46,000 junior secondary schools teachers and other teachers employed on contract terms. You have been aware there have been demonstrations by the JSS teachers. It is now 1 year since the inception of junior secondary school and employment of junior secondary school teachers on contractual terms to teach learners in grade 7, which is domiciled in primary school as advised by the Presidential Working Party on Education Reforms. Teachers Service Commission, TAC, has been mandated by our Constitution to ensure that our learning institutions are well staffed with teachers and with good working conditions favorable to both students and the teachers. These are teachers that receive a half, this one on CBC, receive a half of what their PNP teachers receive without, and they receive this pay without any medical cover, pension, and poor working conditions. It is high time that the Teachers Service Commission reconsiders its decision to renew the contract for these teachers and go ahead and confirm the total 46,000 teachers before the reopenings of schools in January to permanent and pensionable terms to avoid crisis as we go into the new year in January 2024. Na nafikiri if they can confirm our walimu 47,046,000, nafikiri itasaidia kustabilize kwa sababu haitakuwa na ile, hata if 46,000 wakikuwa confirm, it will not satisfy the implementation of CBC. We want them to be confirmed so that when a new contract starts, it can go that